Welcome to episode 3 of our Photoshop Beginner series. Today, we're diving into one of the simplest yet powerful tools, the Marquee Tool. Open any image in Photoshop. The Marquee Tool lets you make rectangular, square, elliptical, and circular selections in your image. You'll find it at the top of the toolbar, or just press M on your keyboard. Click and drag to make a selection. If you want to move the selection, click and move it. If you want to deselect the selection, press Ctrl+D. Want a perfect square or circle? Hold Shift while dragging. You can copy and paste selected parts. Press V to use Move tool. Repeat this step with the rectangular Marquee tool. Always remember to right-click on a tool to expand subtools. You can add, subtract, and intersect the selection with the help of the Options bar menu. To inverse selection, press Shift plus Ctrl plus I. Press Ctrl plus J, so now you get a new layer of inverted selection.